my dear students, as per my promise, I am sending you the answers of the test paper which I had proceeded you, that is change the degree of comparison. I hope you might have completed this. So the first question's answer is, he does not love anyone's son more than the others. Please take your question paper and tally this. Second answer, no other living poet of India was considered as accomplished as Sarojini Naidu. This is positive. Its comparative will be, Sarojini Naidu was considered more accomplished than any other living poet of India. The third question's answer is, very few novels so far read by me are as good as this one. This is positive. Now the comparative is, this is better than most other novels so far read by me. This is comparative. Question number 4 also has two sentences. Its answer is, the most important thing in this world is being honest. This is superlative degree. And the comparative degree will be, being honest is more important than any other thing in this world. Just tell me very sincerely. Next, question number 5's answer is, your pony is not as well trained as this one. Question number 6, Matheran is not as cool as Mahabaleshwar. Question number 7 will have two degrees, that is positive and superlative. We will make first positive. Very few dramas ever written are as great as Shakuntala. This is positive. Now the superlative of this sentence will be, Shakuntala is one of the greatest drama ever written. Question number 8 will also have two degree, that is positive and the comparative. So positive will be, no other Prime Minister of India has been so good as Jawaharlal Nehru. Comparative will be, Jawaharlal Nehru was better than all other Prime Ministers that India has ever had. The answer of question number 9 is, no sooner does he return than you must go home. Here we have used does because the sentence was in present tense. Now question number 10. Its answer is, the school captain is not more hardworking than some other boys in the school. Question number 11 will have two degree, that is positive and comparative. So first positive is, no other temple in Mumbai is as big as Siddhivinayak temple. B means the second is, the temple of Siddhivinayak is bigger than any other temple in Mumbai. This is comparative degree. Question number 12 also have two types of degree, that is gold is the most coveted of other metals. This is superlative degree. And for the comparative we will use, gold is more coveted than any other metal. Question number 13's answer is, meat products are not as good as leafy vegetables. Question number 14 has two degrees. We will change it in two types of degree, that is positive and comparative. Few of other species of deer in Manipur is as rare as the dancing deer. This is positive. Now comparative will be, the dancing deer is rarer than most other species of deer in Manipur. Question number 15. Its answer is, the leopard is not as swift as the cheetah. Now question number 16's answer is, lead is heavier than any other metal or other metals. This is in comparative degree, and the superlative of this sentence is, lead is the heaviest of all metals. Question number 17's answer is, Mumbai is bigger than most or all other cities in India? Question number 18's answer is, we have two answers in that, comparative and positive. Manu is cleverer than all other boys in the class. This is comparative. And no other boy in the class is as clever as Manu. This is positive. Question number 19's answer is, Sarojini was greater than most other women of India. Now question number 20. Its answer is, Harris will be worse than any other women in India. Question number 21's answer is, some of the oak trees were not as old as grandmother. Question number 22's answer is, the smokers did not make such good records in the physical development as the non-smoking element. Question number 23 is, its answer is, Birbal was cleverer than all other men. Question number 24's answer is, he is more wicked than any other man that I have ever been. Question number 25's answer is, Hari is better in algebra than Mohan. Question number 26, we will have two degrees, that is superlative and positive. So for superlative I will tell you, India is the richest country in mineral wealth, and the positive will be, no other country is as rich as India in mineral wealth. Now my dear student, I hope you have understood this. In the further days I will proceed more and many questions for you. Please take its practice and get good marks in the grammar. Thank you very much for watching my videos and trying to do these all.